Welcome to Ask and Learn.
The general expression to calculate the standard entropy change of a chemical reaction is delta S naught reaction is equal to summation of S naught product minus summation of S naught reactants. For the chemical reaction, 2NO(Br) forms 2NO plus Br2. The expression for delta S naught is delta S naught reaction is 2 moles of S naught NO plus 1 mole of S naught Br2 minus 2 moles of S naught NO(Br). Substitute the standard entropies of each species involved in the reaction. Standard entropy values of the species involved in the reaction are collected from. So we have 2 moles multiplied by 210.65 minus 1 mole of 245.38. Sorry, this will be plus minus 2 moles of 272.6, that is 121.5 joules per Kelvin. Therefore, the value of delta S naught for the given reaction at 298 is 121.5 joules per Kelvin. Then the reaction between delta G naught reaction at and equilibrium constant is delta G naught reaction is equal to negative RT natural log of K. So substitute 373 Kelvin for T and putting the values here. R is 8.314 multiplied by temperature is 373 and natural log of K is this. So the value is 2690.255 joules per mole, and converting it to kilojoules, it is 2.7 kilojoule per mole. Therefore, the value of delta G reaction is 2.7 kilojoule per mole. And use the relation delta G naught reaction is equal to delta H naught reaction minus the delta S naught reaction to calculate delta H naught reaction at 373. So delta H naught reaction is equal to delta G naught reaction plus T delta S naught reaction. So we have delta G naught is 2690.225 joules per mole, and temperature is 373 multiplied by 121.5, that is 48009.76 joules per mole, and converting it to kilojoule, it will be 48 kilojoules per mole. Then we have the reaction to NOBr becomes 2NO plus Br2. The expression for delta H naught is delta H naught reaction is 2 moles of delta HNO plus 1 mole of delta H naught Br2 minus 2 moles of delta H naught NO Br. So rearrange this reaction for delta H naught NOBr. There is 2 moles of delta H naught NO plus 1 moles of delta H naught Br2 minus delta H reaction upon 2 moles. So putting the values, that is 2 moles multiplied by 90.29 plus 1 moles of 30.9 minus 48 upon 2 moles, that is equal to 81.745 kilojoule per mole. Therefore, the value of delta H naught NOBr is 81.45. Then use the relation delta G naught reaction is equal to delta H reaction minus the delta S reaction to calculate delta A. So rearrange, putting the values, we have delta H reaction is 48 minus T is 298 and delta S reaction is 121.5, that is 1, and converting it this to kilojoules, that is 1 kilojoule upon 1000 joules, that is 119 kilojoule per mole. So for the reaction, the value of delta G naught reaction is 2 moles of delta GNO plus 1 mole of delta GBr2 minus 2 moles of delta G naught NO Br. So rearranging this for the delta G naught NOBr, that is delta G naught NOBr, we have 2 moles delta G naught NO plus 1 mole of delta G naught Br 2 minus delta G naught reaction upon 2 moles, and putting the values, we have 2 moles of delta G naught is 86.6 plus 1 mole of delta G naught Br2 is 3.13 minus delta G naught reaction is 1179 upon 2 moles, that is 82.3 kilojoule per mole.